The final unit of the course is active citizenship. You will learn how to actively apply what you have learned in the course in a meaningful and authentic way. Throughout the course, there has been an emphasis on three types of citizenships: purposeful, informed, and active. Purposeful citizenship revolves around understanding the importance of government decision-making. Informed citizenship is about understanding how our Canadian government functions. And finally, active citizenship is about applying knowledge in order to have a positive impact on those around us. There are several different types of citizenship that I would also like to discuss. Local citizenship. We are all a part of a local community. We depend on our community for many basic needs, like garbage pickup. However, we are also obligated to positively contribute to our community. What are some ways that you contribute to your local community? Take a moment and consider that question. Canadian citizenship. We are all a part of a national community. We are very privileged to be a citizen of a free and peaceful country. We also have the responsibility to help maintain this freedom and peace within our country. What are some things that you are really thankful for in Canada? What are some things that you are concerned about in Canada? Take a moment and consider these questions. Global citizenship. We are not only citizens of our country, but we are also citizens of the world. We now live in a global village. This term was coined by Canadian Marshall McLuhan and means the world is a large community that is becoming increasingly interconnected. How do we work to impact the world positively? Take a moment and consider this question. Digital citizenship. Technology has become a part of our everyday life. It has provided many benefits to our lives and those around the world, but can also be used irresponsibly. How do we use technology to bless others? The most important citizenship is eternal citizenship. We have discussed many different types of citizenships throughout the course. These are important, but they are limited to this world. Ultimately, our true allegiance is to our God and Savior. This citizenship is the only lasting citizenship. Our eternal citizenship must be reflected in how we exercise our other citizenships. This unit will focus on applying the knowledge you have learned in a meaningful and positive way. When applying your knowledge in an active manner, wisdom and compassion are essential. On the next few slides, we will discuss wisdom and compassion in depth. We will first read over two excerpts on the relationship between wisdom and compassion. As we are reading, consider the following question. How is God calling you to show wisdom and compassion through active citizenship? Wisdom. Because without wisdom, compassion is naive and ineffective, a bystander to injustice. Without wisdom, compassion agonizes over symptoms, but remains ignorant of deeper structural issues. Without wisdom, little changes, and compassion is just a feeling always on the brink of giving way to despair. Again, consider the following question as we read through this quote. How is God calling you to show compassion and wisdom through active citizenship? Compassion. On the other hand, without compassion, wisdom always threatens to become little more than know-how, which can be used as easily to justify more efficient weapons of mass destruction as it is to feed and clothe the poor. Without compassion, wisdom devolves into pragmatism for my ends, rather than relief for the oppressed. Wisdom and compassion work hand in hand. This unit focuses on being an active citizen. As you begin the various tasks for this unit, consider the following question. How is God calling you to show compassion and wisdom through active citizenship?